Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 5 upcoming disasters that could one day destroy life on Earth. From deadly asteroid impacts to supervolcano eruptions, and even the terrifying possibilities of gamma-ray bursts or black holes, these threats remind us how fragile our planet really is. Stick with us till the end to learn about these potential doomsday scenarios and how scientists are trying to prevent them. Let's dive into the mysteries of the universe. Number 1. Asteroid collision. Asteroids are big rocks that move in space. Sometimes they come close to Earth. If a very big asteroid hits Earth, it can cause huge damage. For example, about 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid called the Chicxulub asteroid hit Earth. This caused the extinction of dinosaurs and changed the planet forever. It created dust and smoke that blocked sunlight, making it hard for life to survive. Today, scientists are worried about such events happening again. There are many asteroids near Earth. These are called near-Earth objects, NEOs. NASA and other space agencies are tracking these NEOs to see if they could hit Earth. They use telescopes and technology to keep an eye on them. However, not all asteroids are tracked. Small asteroids, or those hidden by the sun's light, can be missed. These untracked asteroids could surprise us and might cause damage if they hit Earth. To protect Earth, scientists are working on ways to stop asteroids from hitting us. One example is NASA's DART mission. In this mission, a spacecraft was sent to crash into a small asteroid to change its path. This test showed that it might be possible to push an asteroid away from Earth. However, there are still many uncertainties. For example, we might not find the asteroid early enough, or the deflection method might not work on a very big asteroid. In simple words, while scientists are trying their best to save Earth from asteroid collisions, there is no full guarantee. We must keep improving technology to stay safe from these space rocks. Number 2. Supervolcano eruption. Supervolcanoes are very large volcanoes that can cause massive eruptions. One of the most famous supervolcanoes is Yellowstone in the USA. If a supervolcano erupts, it will release huge amounts of ash and gases into the air. This ash can spread across the world and block sunlight for months or even years. Without sunlight, temperatures will drop, leading to what scientists call a volcanic winter. A volcanic winter would have devastating effects. Crops would fail because plants need sunlight to grow. This would cause food shortages all over the world. Without enough food, people and animals would struggle to survive. The climate would also change drastically, with colder temperatures and unpredictable weather. These changes could last for many years, causing massive disruptions to life on Earth. In the past, supervolcano eruptions have been linked to mass extinctions, where many species of animals and plants disappeared. While supervolcano eruptions are rare, they are very dangerous. Scientists are studying supervolcanoes like Yellowstone to monitor their activity and prepare for any future eruptions. However, if such an eruption happens, it would be a global disaster with long-lasting effects. Number 3. Gamma-ray burst. Gamma-ray bursts, GRBS, are the most powerful explosions in the universe. They release a huge amount of energy in a very short time, lasting from a few milliseconds to several minutes. GRBs are usually caused by 2 major events: the explosion of massive stars, called supernovae, or the collision of 2 neutron stars. These explosions send out intense beams of gamma rays, which are the most energetic form of light. If a GRB happens close to Earth and points directly at our planet, it could have devastating effects. The gamma rays could strip away Earth's atmosphere, especially the ozone layer. The ozone layer is important because it protects us from harmful ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. Without it, UV rays would reach the surface, causing damage to living organisms, including humans, plants, and animals. It could also disrupt ecosystems and lead to mass extinctions. Number 4. Global nuclear war. Tensions between nuclear-armed nations, caused by political conflicts or misunderstandings, could lead to a catastrophic nuclear war. If multiple nuclear weapons are used, the immediate destruction would be devastating, killing millions of people and wiping out entire cities. However, the aftermath would be even worse. A large-scale nuclear war would release massive amounts of smoke and dust into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. This phenomenon, called a nuclear winter, would cause global temperatures to drop drastically, leading to failed crops and widespread famine. Radiation from the explosions would contaminate the environment, making many areas uninhabitable for years. The collapse of civilization could follow, as food, water, and medical supplies become scarce. Societies would struggle to recover from such widespread destruction. Preventing nuclear war requires diplomacy, disarmament, and cooperation between nations to ensure such a disaster never occurs. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Let's stay informed and work towards a brighter future together.